Day 18 of English practicing. Today we will learn about CA sound, Z sound, and A sound. First is CA sound. Chop chop children. It is Charlie's kitchen adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Z sound. A German judge and jury have charged and jailed a shrink giant who sat on the edge of a bridge throwing jelly onto large badges. A sound. He thought that he should thank the teacher. He thought that he should watch his television. He thought that he should use the telephone. He thought that he should shut the door. He thought that he should breathe deeply. He thought that he should tell the truth. He thought that he should breathe deeply. Hard. He coughed for 1 whole week.